Are you looking for a nice little pocket cruiser? Then come with me for a quick walk-around tour on this 2000 Regal 2960 Commodore. We've seen this boat before. However, in 2015, we put in twin new long block 5.7 MerCruisers, and last year we put new outdrives on her along with bottom things. We also, while she was in the yard, had a new hard Macrolon enclosure made with new canvas. The boat says 2000, but everything on her is 2015 and newer. So come with me, quick walk around tour on this 2960 Regal here at South Mountain Yachts. Here we are starting off forward starboard bow. We see some great features. To begin with, if you notice, we have a nice covered windlass right there. Coming down on the foredeck, we've got a hatch to allow light and air into the cabin. We also have this LLI, ladies like it feature, nice oversized lounge pad. Just enjoy the day laying out there. The hull has recently been buffed and waxed, so she shines like a new dime. Coming down, we see the new enclosure. That's the good stuff, folks, right there. There's our 2960 Commodore. And as you can see with the camper back, we have full use of the cockpit. We've got some great electronics on here, which we'll see later. And another feature on this boat is this dinghy is included with the purchase along with the outboard motor right there. Stepping aboard, one of the first things we notice is the teak, plastic deck flooring right there. Adds a nice rich touch to the boat, keeps it quiet and a lot easier to clean. Once we enter the boat, we see we have a hot and cold shower right there. Nice little wet bar with storage underneath. Now this U-shaped seating has storage up underneath, and we have a fold-away transom seat right there. Lots of headroom. Here's another what I call LLI, ladies like it. It's a port side lounger facing either direction. Access to the bow is nice and easy. Step up and out. Now here at the helm, we've got our captain's bucket seat right there with a bolster so we can drive standing up. Here at the helm, we've got an upgraded stainless steel wheel, VHF radio, Xantrex battery charger right there. Awesome fusion stereo, very important right there. All of our gauges. And we've got our Raymarine GPS chart plotter. Now it also has side scanning sonar in there. As a matter of fact, the boat has been used before to find sunken vessels. We've got our compass and clear view forward. Circling around, that gives us a nice overview looking aft on this vessel. From here, let's go below. We enter the cabin through this bifold door, down a few steps also. Now we also in here have the teak decking immediately to starboard. We've got a booth dinette. Now this table also can be lowered for yet another sleeping area. Our power panels right here. Another stereo system, tank monitoring system, amplifier right there. As we move forward, we have a nice L-shaped bed, which is 6.5 feet long, off to the side right there. with a privacy curtain, storage up underneath, little locker right there. Circling to port, we have our galley with a stainless steel sink, microwave cabinet, refrigerator below, and a dual burner propane stove right there. More storage access right there. And as we move aft, we have our head right here. Nice tile floor in there. Korean style countertop. Fully lined fiberglass along with the RV style shower right there. Looking aft, we see we have our large flat screen TV. It's kind of hard to tell, but we do have back there a double wide sleeping area with lots of headroom. We also have lights in there. This gives us a quick view of the cabin interior. And from here, let's check out the engine space. Now for a quick check, engine access is relatively easy. We have that aft panel, which can open up, just fold the transom seat back, and this gives us a quick inspection area to the oils and fluids and everything that we need. Here we are, we have the engine compartment opened up completely. Let's get down inside. Now, these engines are 5.7 engine blocks. We do have the 5.0 cowls on there, just because we couldn't get new cowls in time for the video. We see the engines are neat, clean. The risers have been done within the past year, year and a half, along with the manifolds. There's our port engine, and then our starboard engine's right there also. We've got a new hot water heater there, and for additional power, we have a large 8D battery here, along with a starting battery and our ProSign inverter right there. The engine space is neat, clean, orderly. We also have, keep in mind, we've got new outdrives on this boat, along with new bottom paint. The hull says 2000, but everything else on this boat is within the past 4 or 5 years. Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts. Here we have a 2000 Regal 2960 Commodore. This is a beautiful boat, just been buffed and waxed. Fully detailed, nice, neat, clean. There's a nice transom shot. This boat does have the extended swim platform and nice vinyl teak decking on her.